Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, eastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, north central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wayland, or near Framingham, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Boston, Cambridge, Brockton, Quincy, Newton, Framingham, Waltham, Brookline, Weymouth, Marlborough, Braintree, Natick, Randolph, Watertown, Needham, Norwood, Wellesley, Milton, Stoughton and Dedham.